Currently, there are a lot of job openings at Lab 3 in Australia and New Zealand at the moment in both cloud and DevOps arena. Lab 3 is a consulting and IT services company and is quite popular for its remote nature of work and quite a lot of privileges and perks. Now, they have no, large number of new opportunities coming their way as and they are accepting expression of interest from experienced cloud and DevOps professional who want to come along for this amazing ride with them. In order to be successful for this role, you need to have exposure to Azure Cloud, Terraform and PowerShell, Azure DevOps, or in Azure Resource Manager, some Kubernetes experience in Azure Kubernetes services. Plus, if you have exposure to Azure Backups, Portal, Cloud Storage, Subscription Management, RBAC. So, all in all the Azure core services, you should be suited for this role. So, if you're interested in working as Azure Cloud or Azure DevOps professional at Lab 3, either in Australia or in New Zealand, go to their website and apply it directly from there. Thank you very much.